We at Sherpa are here for the same reason you're here, to serve the aging adult and guide them in this process. We share the conviction that it's not our communities that are the most important aspect of our industry, but our prospects. Every aspect of Sherpa's industry-changing customer relationship management system is designed with this in mind. Let's take a closer look at Sherpa to see how it can support your day-to-day efforts in the sales office, as well as help manage and guide your teams to success. Our entire industry is built around one thing, our prospects, and so is Sherpa. Let's begin with our prospect profile, which allows you to capture important prospect information at an unmatched level of specificity. From any page within Sherpa's application, simply click Add a Prospect. Adding the right prospect information is central to Sherpa's effectiveness, and we make it easy. Use our simple form field to enter everything you know about the person. Add a photo of them. Add an influencer's information, those people in their life that may also be guiding them along in this decision. Select the appropriate categorization for their status, inquiry source, and other important information you may have captured upon initial contact. Didn't get all the information you wanted on the first interaction? Don't worry. Enter what you know now and go back and easily edit later. Our case study section lets you add your notes and capture a holistic, personalized view of everything that you're discovering from your time spent with your prospect and their family. This will allow you and your team to have a clear picture of everything you know, as well as easily identify opportunities to dig a little deeper in order to further build that relationship and trust. And finally, our action plan entry forms allow you to log your activity, record outcomes, and schedule your next strategy and steps with your prospect. Now that you've added an individual prospect, users can get a global snapshot of all their prospects on the prospect page. Curious about one of these prospects and want to take a look at their profile? Just click on a name. A complete and real-time snapshot is yours to review. The global distribution sidebar gives you a quick visual graphic for your entire database across 4 different metrics. And our prospect filters allow you to effectively identify which opportunities and actions to focus on. Maybe those who have never toured or who have no next steps. Simply filter by keyword, status, care type, and stage. And for users who want a more granular and robust exploration, our advanced search window gives you the ability to select virtually any set of data points within Sherpa to explore your pipeline by any criteria you see fit. Once you have a base of prospects from which you and your team can create strategy, Sherpa's Basecamp Dashboard provides you with a bird's eye view of your progress against goals in real time, as well as helps focus and prioritize efforts for follow-up. You can review the metric snapshots of your various actions, whether it's calls, tours, home visits, and the like. Get a real-time view of how many hours you're specifically spending on sales-related activities, so you can better adjust your efforts as progress goes up or down. Basecamp is also the place where your task list shows you exactly which actions are on tap for the day. Didn't have a chance to get to everything today? No problem. We'll make sure to remind you tomorrow of any tasks that weren't completed. Easily specify which tasks are yours and which are your team's, from a list view or from a color-coded calendar view. Integration with Microsoft Outlook and Gmail is also easy, so your calendar tasks can sync in real time with your email client to ensure nothing slips through the cracks and to avoid double booking. Your watch list sidebar gives you options to see important information quickly, whether it's a list of your most active prospects, new web leads, how many move-ins you have pending, or how many units your community has available. From the bird's eye view of Basecamp, turn your strategy into measured data on the Selling Zone page, where you can quantify, track, and improve your specific sales efforts. Select the time frame that you want to review or measure and filter by prospect, sales action, or leasing counselor. Your team progress is available in the left-hand sidebar, and your displayed sales notes give you a summary of the depth and quality of your sales interactions. For an overview of your community's inventory, the Occupancy tab provides a clear and real-time visual of all unit statuses and pending activity. Choose different layout views and see current occupancy numbers at a glance. Exporting or printing any combination of this information is easy, and sending prospects floor plans and availability information is as simple as clicking on a unit profile, where you can also schedule move-ins, transfers, and log important unit information. Got prospects on a wait list? No problem. Manage all of this in the Depositors tab. Sherpa also understands that developing and maintaining relationships with influencers, referral sources, and other industry resources is key to a healthy base of prospect leads. Our outreach page gives you an exhaustive dashboard for monitoring these relationships with the same specificity of your prospect list. Get a snapshot of your outreach interactions, the contact's information and history, and strategize how to further the relationship all in the contact profile. One of the things that sets Sherpa's software solution apart is how it manages and tracks the macro data common to all senior housing sales, as well as the unexplored gaps of information in between. The analytics page is the robust and in-depth repository for this information. Sherpa's proprietary Know Thy Leads dashboard gives you bird's eye and micro-level views of a wealth of important data. See in clean graphical context the makeup of your prospect base, the level of discovery, and quickly identify actionable opportunity for follow-up. See how your case study content is working for you and what areas remain unexplored. See where your opportunities for engagement stand with an array of your key sales activities, and toggle between prospects with and without specific criteria. The Team Productivity Dashboard gives you and your colleagues transparency around time allocation and outcomes. Explore company comparisons and totals, and better understand your efforts in the context of your community or region. In the Sherpa Dashboard, get the full picture of you and your team's efforts across all of the disciplines that affect your activity. Our specific zone pages for sales, marketing, and operations shows you specifically and quantitatively where your areas for advancements and improvements lie, and allows you to better understand and work with all of the members of your team for a truly collaborative success. Get to know your data on a whole new level and apply this understanding to your ongoing efforts. In the Sherpa Reports dashboard, select multiple types of comprehensive reports from sales effectiveness, marketing and outreach, and occupancy and operations. And as always, your ability to customize, save, share, and schedule reports is made simple. Export any report to a CSV or Excel file with the click of a button. Given Sherpa's focus to be a sales conversion and coaching tool specific to the senior living industry, it wouldn't be complete without your ability to learn at your own pace and style. Our coaching page provides a comprehensive resource list for not just learning the software application, but in-depth education on our sales industry and how to become a top performer. Navigate to our in-app tutorials for instructions on key functions within the system. Need some additional guidance? Catch our in-house customer support team 7 days a week. We hope the tools at your disposal help you take command of your selling process, and most importantly, help the prospects you serve make better, more informed choices. Thank you for joining us for a closer look into Sherpa.